Today is tennis day. We play tennis and also we're testing this kit lens, Lumix 12 to 32mm lens, very tiny, collapsible, tiny, lightweight, super small lens that looks like almost like a lens cap, a pancake lens. We're gonna play tennis and we're gonna record tennis with the GH5. And I'm vlogging. I'm back to vlogging for these 2 weeks. I'm in vacation. I have 2 weeks time, so I'm gonna vlog every day. Bokeh test with the Lumix kit lens 12 to 32. Not much bokeh, let's say. Minimum amount. Minimum amount. Focus on the leaves. Focus. Damn it, doesn't focus. So this lens doesn't have a manual focus ring. So you actually activate a rocker, a digital rocker on your screen and focus in this way. It's kind of weird. It's a very weird setting. So right now I'm manual focusing with this digital rocker on my screen. I'm sliding it with my thumb. I don't think it's super... yeah, actually you can just tap it, so you can achieve pretty accurate focus like this. It's very funny. I've never ever seen any manual focusing system like this. Alright, let's focus on the background. And then just... yeah, there you go. Oh, went too far. Come back a little bit. Then this focusing is difficult. Alright, done with playing with this manual focus. Plans and everything. Zoom in onto the plans. Getting closer to the plans. But it doesn't focus. Obviously, because the manual focus, the autofocus sucks. One area. No, it does not focus. And it's so tiny. It's very good for vlogging. Very good for vlogging. Yeah. I'm boiling some eggs. I'm gonna eat some eggs for breakfast, and then play tennis. And when I come back, I'm gonna eat a lot. Or am I? Eating a lot is bad for you. You should not eat so much. Keep yourself just a little bit hungry. Eggs boiling. So the clay courts are kind of wet from the rain last night. So last night or yesterday during daytime. Anyways, we can't play on the clay court, so we're gonna play on the hard court. It's gonna be a little bit tough. I'm not used to hard court. It's so fast, the ball. Sometimes I just can't reach it. I'm so used to clay now. It's gonna be very challenging because my opponent today is very strong. He's very good with he has a good big serve, and he's good with going to the net to do volley shots, and he's aggressive, and he has nice topspin shots from the baseline. So it's gonna be tough. My Euro style is to play very steady and play directional shots and close the point with a strong flat shot, something like that. But you know, playing him is kind of tough. Last time I played him on hard court, I lost terribly. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna record it. Oh god, the autofocus is so bad. What is with autofocus? You always go out of focus first, and then lock into focus. It's so bloody weird. The autofocus is not reliable in that sense. So let's try to focus on something close up. Okay, that's pretty fast. And far away. Okay, that's pretty fast. Close up. Far away. Alright, it's okay. It's okay. It's doing great. But you know, at the beginning of a clip, It's freaking weird. It goes out of focus first. It's weird. It's just weird. But I guess it's okay. It's tolerable. Right now what you're seeing is the dual IS image stabilization. Isn't it amazing? I'm holding my camera with one hand only, yet it looks smooth. Isn't that amazing? GH5 Micro Four Third system. Love it. Let's do it again. This is my transportation tool. Scooter, non-electrical. You have to pick it. Smooth. It is frustrating. Every single shot, it will go out of focus and then come back. It will do that every time you start a clip. This is 60p though. 1080p 60p. Maybe it doesn't work like that in 24p. Who knows? I'm not gonna test it. I don't care. Look at this tennis club. Beautiful entrance. You know, the beautiful flowers, trees. Nice shade. And then there is the tennis court. Beautiful clay. Yeah, so beautiful club. And today we're not gonna play on the clay, although they look fine. A little bit wet. So we're gonna play on the hard court. Alright. And this is the secret path to the hard court. It's like in the back of a tennis club. Newly built. So a little bit weird. This pathing. That is not a super public. Let me show you the blue sky. Beautiful. And this building on the left hand side is a big gym as part of the club. I never went to the gym. I don't do gym. And here's. Okay, there's a training session in there. So we're gonna wait till 1:30 and then we can enter. And if there's nobody playing after us, we could play even longer than 1 hour session. It's gonna be cool. But anyway, it's very good weather today. So it's very nice to test this tiny little. There's a bug on my camera right now. It landed on the hand grip. I'm gonna get rid of it. Get off! Ah! Ah! Disgusting! What do I do with this? Alright, this is the end of the vlog. We played tennis. We made an appointment with Cuff to declare the tax. And what else do we do? Tested lens. Image quality seems good. Pretty decent. I have no complaints. The only problems are, I've already mentioned, the autofocus. In video it's really weird, and then it doesn't have a dedicated manual focus ring, so it's pretty weird. What else did we do today? Oh, we studied Italian a little bit. Just completing my daily tasks. And right now I'm going to play some Starcraft 2. Gonna improve, learn from mistakes, and try to play better every time.
Research, mineral field completed.
It doesn't have the space.
Not enough energy.
SCV ready.
What is his deal?
Mineral.
Oh, it's a storm.
Research complete.
Yes, nothing. He's dead. Oh, I don't care about the tanks. He's dead.
Ready to plunder. By the tree. Armed and ready. Boom, baby.
What? He has that base? God, how greedy is this guy? He's so greedy.
Ready to plunder. This better. Let's get into the SCV ready. You gonna buy the good one piece of me, boy. SCV ready.
Where do you go?
Mineral field depleted.
Order. SCV ready. We could use some help here.
Oh, great. Base trade now.
Ready to go.
Hey, they're attacking our base. Base is under attack.
What's going on? This better be good. SCV ready. Gonna give me orders? Go.
He's gonna resolve the
Minerals
brokers.
have up and gone. Base is under attack. Hey, they're attacking our base.
No, I can't save it.
That'd be a solid no on this one, Captain. Additional supply depots are required.
Ready to plunder. Babe, waiting on me.
And they're out of here.
And that would be it. With the amount of focus again. So it's kind of a... It's not really dark, but it's definitely darker. So in kind of the semi-low light situation, maybe that's why the autofocus is struggling. It just doesn't capture, it doesn't see me. Maybe it's the autofocus mode. It was on face detect. Right now I put on 225 area detect. That should be better or not. I don't know. Doesn't look better. But it's okay. It's not gonna be my main vlog lens. Today is just a test. I'm gonna go back to the Leica 12 to 60 tomorrow.